So guys, I'm having the biggest thunderstorm that I could ever possibly see, and I'm just freaking out. Like, look at this. What is that? And what is this? Like, we're about to go get dinner, and I have to, like, experience this in the car. Like, I don't like the look of that. Like, I don't like tornadoes, but I know we don't get tornadoes here. But if you open the window, you can actually hear thunder. So like, listen closely. And you can see that it's windy. But just a little bit. But it's not raining. It's just thundering. That's my neighbor. Jesus.